Welcome to all of you in Teaching Junction channel. In first video, I have discussed about the data entry and formatting in Microsoft Excel. It is recommended to watch that video before this one if you are new user. Link for first tutorial is given in description. In this video, we will learn some intermediate level tips and tricks. Let's start this video. In Microsoft Excel, there is an option for autofilling. For example, I just write here January. Then you can see here plus sign appear, and when we drag this sign, it autofill the cells. So if I again write January, if I drag it further, then it will fill more automatical cells. You can see January to September. You can move it in any direction. For example, January. If I want to move this in this direction, you can see the cells are filled in these directions. If I write here Friday, when plus sign appear, I drag this in upper side and you can see it start filling in upper side. Similarly, if I write 1 and drag this, you can see it copy the cell, and if you see this sign, there is a small arrow. If you click on this, there is an option copy cell or fill series. If I click on fill series, it will fill the cell in series, and if I select copy option, then it will select only these cells. We will take another example. For example, I write 5, 10, 15. If I select these, I have two options. Either I continue this series or I copy these cells. So after when plus sign appear, I drag it. You can see it continues in series. It automatically fill these cells. If I want to copy this pattern, go to this sign, click on arrow and copy cells. You can see 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10. It copies the entire series. Take another example. If I want that there is a difference of 2, 4. So I select it and drag it. You can see it automatically fill this series by keeping the difference of 2. So you can explore this autofilling option of Microsoft Excel. It will save you a lot of time. You can move in upward, downward, right direction or left direction. So I clear this one. Click on clear, clear all. So if you write short, for example, I write JN instead of January, then drag it. You can see it also fill these cells because it recognizes these. If I write short version of Monday and drag it, you can see it automatically fill these cells. So by practice, you can explore much more option of autofilling. Then next skill is the use of format painter. The format painter copy the format and you can format your entire series using this format. For example, I write 162 and I change its color into yellow one and bold it. If I copy this format through format painter and I want that these all should be formatted like that, you can see that their format is changed according to our requirement. Another example is if I write some text, press enter and bold it and change its font size to 14. Click on this and click on format painter. It copy the format. Now if I drag this one, you can see here that their format is changed according to our requirement. So in now we explore the option of conditional formatting. You can see here the option for conditional formatting. So first I clear this one, clear all, and this one clear all. So you can see here conditional formatting. If I select this column and explore the option of conditional formatting, highlight result rule greater than. If I say it should be greater than 175, and these should be highlighted with yellow fill with dark yellow text. Click OK. You can see here that the values greater than 175 are highlighted in this. Take another example. Go to conditional formatting. Take example of between. I select 160 to 180. Click on OK. The value between 160 and 180 are highlighted in this column. So I take another example, top bottom rule. Actually our value is less than 10, so we cannot use it presently because all value will be highlighted. Data bars, you can see if I use this option, the value greater than the value which is greater has more length of this bar as compared to those values which are a lower value, and the bar length is also lower in that case. Another example is the color scale. If we click on this, the green value, the, the greater value will get green color and smaller value will get red color. So click on this. You can see here the highest value is 259 and lowest value is 101. Another function which is mostly used in Microsoft Excel is the formula function. So I we start using this function. Firstly, we will type equal sign. You can also write it here. I want to sum, and it's from cell B3 to this one is B10. So I press enter. You can see these all values are sum up. Another way to select this cell is equal sign sum. Select the cell which you want to sum up. For example, I select these, press enter, and you can find this value. Apart from this, there is another easy method. I select these cells, go to auto sum option and sum. The values are automatically sum up. Another one, I want to get average value of these. Go to this option and press on average. You will get average values. You can also copy this formula. If I copy this one and paste formulas, you can see same formula is copies, and these values are sum up here. Again, if copy formula here, then these value will be sum up according to previous formula. Another method is drag this one in this direction or either in this direction, and these values will be average values will be calculated as we calculated in this column. We can also get minimum and maximum values occur. Equal sign no, sorry, minimum select this one, press enter. You can see minimum value is 104. If we want to get minimum value in these two columns, then drag this cell after appearing plus sign, and its lower value is 72, and third column has lower value is 101. Similarly, we can get maximum value. Select this one. You can use either method according to your convenience. Maximum value, you can appear here, then we drag this one and maximum will be appear for these cells. Hopefully you have learned these skills. So I another function of this is the change of the background color. So go to page layout, background. If you work offline, select this one. I want that this one as a background image. Insert. You can see here that background of Microsoft Excel is changed. So if you want to remove this, delete background and this one. You can also remove these grid lines if you uncheck this view. You can see grid lines are removed. If you check on this, grid lines will be appeared. These headings are also removed by uncheck this. And if you check this, then the headings of columns and row will be appeared. So another command which is useful for you is freeze pane. Go to review, freeze pane, freeze top row. So if I move this sheet, top row will appear the same. You can see here the top row will appear on the top. And if I unfreeze it and move this sheet downward, you can see first row disappeared. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this.